Most people don't know that pork can look like this. All right, so this is a 4-rib rack of Iberico pork. These pigs are raised in Spain, natural diet. The fat is everything: flavor, texture, juiciness. We're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna season it with our Big Sweet Barbecue Badass Beef Boost. We're gonna add some olive oil to a medium hot pan, and then we're gonna sear it all over. Now listen to this. When we have good browning on each side, we're gonna place it in the oven at 400 degrees. While we're waiting, quick fresh side, we're gonna cut some heirloom tomatoes, some ripe strawberries, drizzle this with plenty of olive oil and some sea salt, and then we're gonna finish it with fresh dill. We want something bright to cut through all that richness from the Iberico. I'm gonna pull it when it has an inner temperature of about 132 to 134 Fahrenheit, and then we're gonna let it rest up to 138, 140. And this is where it separates from grocery store pork. We're gonna cut between the bones and look at that juiciness. This is exactly where you want it: juicy, tender, and slightly pink. Way more flavor, better texture. This pork tastes amazing. It's completely different from anything you can get at the store. I've cooked a lot of pork. This is on another level.